Look at this. Okay, so here's 1, 2, 3. If you all look at this, even on the 5-minute. So right here is the first one. This is the second one. All of this is the third one. So 1, 2, 3, triple top. See it? It doesn't matter how many candles are touching it. It could be 800 candles. That's considered one because that's in the same spot. Consolidation is always just one. So I was looking at this when this popped up here, and because it never broke this pre-market high, right? Touch, 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 perfect area. Isn't this the absolute perfect area? So if we're up here on the top, we put our stops here. In the payoff, if you look at the risk to reward, if you look at the total picture on this chart, your risk is going to be wherever you put your stop. We'll just say up here, okay? Because we saw it pop up here a couple times. So this is your risk. This is your risk. This is your reward. So your risk is very minimal, right? Because you already know if it does decide to pop, you can get out of there. That doesn't even count if it moves beyond the support level here, which it did. Now, hindsight, had I held these, by the way, I looked at it, I would have made $80,000. So what I was going to say here is there is a huge difference between holding your conviction on a good, solid trade versus it's all going against you and you're like, well, I'm going to hold. Coach says hold conviction and it should be fine. Wrong. You're not even in a good trade. Evaluate your trade. 1, 2, 3, stop loss here. Absolute payday.